Hey guys, in this video I'll be testing out MaxBox. This is an accessory included by Asus with the Zenfone Max Pro M1. It comes in this cardboard style box and it transforms, and there's also a pictorial representation of it on the back. Once the phone is inserted, it sits tight in the portrait mode. Here I'll be playing a video clip with and without the MaxBox, and we'll be monitoring audio levels along the way. So let's take a look.
Do you ever practice your goal celebrations in the mirror at home? Hello Jesse, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling okay.
You sure?
Yes, I'm okay.
Is your full name Jesse Ellis Lingard?
Yes.
Are you going to lie to me today?
No,
You're going to lie to me today?
I will not.
Are you sweating?
My palms are sweating.
Yeah, I can see. You've got a sweat all over the table. You have to pay for that. Do you ever cry at films?
Yeah. The film Click.
The Adam Sandler film? The one about the remote?
Yeah.
Made you cry?
Trust me, you can cry at that.
Do you have a music guilty pleasure?
Girls just want to have fun, Cindy Love. Yo, that song is a banger, by the way.
Because girls.
So as you can see, there's definitely improvement in the audio with the MaxBox. The sound is being amplified, hence it's louder while maintaining audio quality. But my only complaint is that this can't be done in landscape mode. If Asus figured out a way to do so, it would have been great. So this has been a quick look at the MaxBox. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please make sure to hit the like button and also share this video. It will be very helpful. Make sure to follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. I'll leave links in this video's description. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in the comment section down below. I'll be happy to answer them. And if you are interested in more videos like this, definitely make sure to subscribe to the channel. Once you're subscribed, make sure you hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And as always, thanks a lot for watching.